We have never done this before, and we are super excited to add this to our rewrapping options for you guys. You've been asking for it. Folks have seen it around, only offered at custom drum shops and by major brands, but now offered here at Drums Etc. We can put inlays on your finishes. That's right. So we can do pinstripes, we can do all sorts of funky variations, and we have tons of wraps to choose from. Mix and match, customize your kit to make it one of a kind. So stay tuned. We are going to take this Mapex My Identity, which has been through a whole bunch of different lifetimes, and give it another one. This was originally a silver sparkle kit that came in a while back at the shop, and the snare drum had been stripped and kind of shoddily stained. So we are gonna bring this thing back to life with a brand new wrap, and it looks killer. This customer chose to put a blue sparkle inlay sandwiched in between white pearl, so it actually looks like it is a cutout inlay in there. But you can pick any color, and we have about 100 colors in stock to choose from. In addition, what we can do is we can get anything that Precision Drum Company makes. So if you're looking for a custom wrap or something else one of a kind, we can definitely start that conversation, get it done for you as well. So reach out, we'll let you know what's possible, what's not. But I'm telling you right now, with all of our color combinations, there are thousands of options for you guys to choose from. What's great about working with our small crew is that we can get things exactly how you want them. That means if you want to do a tri-band or a quad band, whatever you want to do on a snare drum or a project like this, we can decide exactly the different sizes, the spacing, exactly how it goes on, and exactly how the colors work well together. We have a bunch of samples here that we can pair up next to each other to send you a picture if you're from out of town, so you can see in the light in different shades exactly what this drum is going to look like before you send us your shell. And that's right, if you're out of town, we can still do this for you. We do it all the time. Just got a few drums in shipped today, and we're going to be doing projects for them and shipping them right back out. It is no problem for us whatsoever. We are a professional drum shop, so we ship drums all day long. This is where things really start to take shape. As soon as those lugs start being mounted back onto the shell, I start to get excited. This snare drum has literally changed the game for us, and we are so excited to see what creative ideas you come up with. So reach out to us. Let's talk about your dream drum. I promise you it's not going to cost as much as you think. We keep things very affordable here at the Drummers Pro Shop, and we'd love to do it for you. Thanks guys for checking out this video. And if you have any other projects, whether that's cutting down shells, adding mounts, drilling holes in your drums, filling holes in your drums, we do it all here at Drums Etc. Just DM us and we'll get you taken care of.